Hey there, Heather Boyd Wire here. I make wire art and jewelry making videos on my channel, as well as weekly live streams troubleshooting new designs. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make these cute little wire dog paws using the Artistic Wire Deluxe Jig Kit. So what you're going to need for this project are your basic tools, the Artistic Wire Deluxe Jig Kit with the pegs and the little plugs that go on the back. I also use a nail because it's a little thinner than the actual pegs. I have 20 gauge wire. I'm using aluminum this time. You could also use artistic copper wire. And I have these templates printed out. So you're welcome to take a screenshot of those templates now. And I also offer them for sale in my shop. I'll link it up below. So to do the dog paw, I'm using the second to smallest size of pegs. So we're just going to follow the pattern here. So we go one there, one up a bit, one over, and one down a bit. And then as always, you need to put those plugs on there. Otherwise, you're going to have trouble wrapping it around and having them move all over the place. So we'll just stick those little plugs on there. And that'll hold them in place. Perfect. We've got that. And then what we're going to do is take these second to largest size pegs and we're going to count down one and one over, one and one over. Same thing over here, one and one over. And then we're going to also stick the plugs on the back of that. So now what we're going to do is take about a 12-inch piece of wire and we want to just kind of work it in between these two pegs. It's a little bit tricky. And then we're just going to pull that one around, pull it right around, and then this one too, right around over here. Okay, and this one. So those are the toes. And then we're going to just pull it around here. Okay, and this one too, around here. So it's in the finishing touches. You're going to see that it's going to work. So we're going to pull that off, and this is what you have so far. So what we want to do now is just kind of adjust it a little bit. Okay, and what I'm going to do is just bend one up at a right angle. You see, like that. And then this one, you might need the help of your round pliers. We're just going to pull that one around here, and that's just going to hold it in place. So we're just going to clip that, and there you have, like, just the two wires are attached. That's always the trick, is to know how to finish your wires off. And then what I want to do is make a little heart. So you could just clip that off if you want, but it's cute with the heart. So I'm just going to bend that at a bit of an angle like that. And then we're going to form a heart just freehand. So to form the heart, we're just going to take the round pliers and just go a little bit like that with the larger round pliers, and then just bend it up. Okay, you could even put like a little heart bead there if you wanted to, and then we're going to just bend that around. Okay, so you see, you could see the heart there. And then I think to keep it super simple, we're just going to clip this end here. So we'll just clip it off, okay, and then just pinch it in place. And there you have, I cut it a little short, but that gives you an idea. So there's the little dog paw with the heart. So I have another configuration of the dog paw. It's with the toes that are a little bit longer. This one, the setup is quite simple. So what you're going to do for that one is, it's always good to start in the center. So we're just going to start in the center and form the toes first. So we're just going to go ahead here and form the toes. And then this one here too. We'll just start from the center and work our way out around like that. And the key is going to be in the finishing touches of this, how to get it to look like a paw. So if we're going to go like this, of course it doesn't really look like a paw right now, but we're going to take it off. Okay, remove that. Okay, we'll just remove it. And so here is what we have so far. So you want to do like a little bend in the middle there. So we'll just take this and just bend it in the center a little bit, just to give it that little kind of pointy top part of the paw. So that's bent there. And then what we want to do is, you could do the same thing where you make the heart in there. So we're just going to bend this like we did the other one at the right angle, and then help that one around a little bit. Just bend it around with the round pliers, and just go like that and clip it. Sometimes I cheat and clip with my pliers, just because if these have a pointy ends, and they will clip if you need to, in a pinch, so to speak. So there we go. So we're just keep bending that. So you'll see it's making sort of the shape of the paw like that. You know, how much you want to bend it up there is up to you. And then what I'll do is, because I've already done one with the heart, let's just go ahead and clip it off to see how it looks just plain without the heart. So that's a possibility. You can just go like that. Now if you want to finish this one with a little kind of wire at the top that you could dangle, you know, from an earring or something, so you could just do it this way. If you want to start in the kind of middle of the paw, you could do that, and then just bring this around here. Okay, bring it around, and then form it around the toes. And we're just gonna see how we could finish this a little bit differently. So we go in like that, and then we're gonna go around like that and like that. So this way, what's going to happen is you're going to have a little thing you can actually hang the pendant off. So that's cool. If you don't want to do this option, all you would have to do is put a jump ring on each of the middle toes to hang it on something. That would work too. So now we have to get rid of some of these ends. So we're going to take this end and just twist it around in a way that these toes are beside each other, but not necessarily too close. So we're just going to bend that around and then clip that one off. And then you have this wire left that you could put beads on if you want, or you could do like a little loop at the top. So I'm gonna just put some beads on here. My favorite miracle bead, this is a 4mm. I thought it'd be cute to put like a little heart bead, so we'll stick that on there, and then another little miracle bead. So here's the little configuration there, and then we're just going to bend that to the side. This would be cute as an ornament, a keychain, could be earrings, could be a pendant. There's all kinds of possibilities, a little sun catcher. So there we go, the little dog paw. So thanks so much for watching the video. Give it a big thumbs up if you liked it. Be sure to subscribe to my channel for lots more DIY wire art and jewelry making videos. Hit the notification bell to be notified when I go live and when I post new videos. And if you'd like to share pictures of your wire art creations, be sure to join the Facebook group, the Wire Art and Jewelry Makers Club, where we share photos and inspiration. And if you don't have Facebook, no problem. You could email photos to info@heatherboydwire.com, and I'll share them in the community section of my channel. And if you'd like to check out our wire art and jewelry on Etsy, we have a shop where we make custom wire jewelry and wedding cake toppers. If you'd like to learn some more specialized techniques for wire art and jewelry, I offer an online course where I have modules about making flattened wire for bookmarks, and also making spiral beads for necklaces and earrings, and also how to make a special kind of tree where you weave the wires together. So there's also a module about how to make your own jig, and that one comes with all the templates for the designs I've made so far, including the ones made with the Artistic Wire Deluxe Jig Kit. Or if you prefer just to purchase the templates, I have a link for that below as well. So thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you the next time.